Creating clients and matters is an essential part of any legal billing process. And at LeanLaw, we want to make the legal billing process as easy as possible. So we've created a simple way to create clients and matters within LeanLaw so that you can easily manage and see all of your clients. So let's take a quick look at what that looks like. I'm in the LeanLaw application, and here I'm in our Clients tab. We're going to go ahead and create a new client. And so what you'll see here is you get a pop-up to create a client, and we're going to put in our client name. In this case, I'm going to have the client is an individual, so I'm going to go in and put their name in. We'll put in an email address. We'll put in a street address, and then we will go ahead and create the client. Now, in this case, most clients, when you're creating the first client, you'll also want to create a matter because you have a particular matter in mind. So you'll see our create matter pop up also available. Then you can go in and name the matter. You can select the billing type. So you can choose between hourly, contingency, fixed fee, pro bono, and internal. In this case, I'm going to leave it as hourly. And then I'm going to go ahead and select the originating attorney. And that's important for some of our downstream reporting. And then if you have practice areas enabled, go in and also select the appropriate practice area. And then hit create. And just like that, we have created a divorce matter for Brad Pitt. And you can go in and see the information. You can also see the billing and rates for the matter and any of the other matter details that you're looking for. You can also at any time, anywhere in the LeanLaw application, go in to this nice quick create plus button, and you can add a client or add a matter directly from there, just keeping it simple as you are working through the application. If you find that you need to do those quick tasks, you can go in and do that. And that is how easy it is to create a client and matter in LeanLaw. If you have any questions, feel free to visit leanlaw.co to get more information about LeanLaw. And we look forward to seeing you in the application.